Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this breast cancer awareness look for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with the gel bottle ink color Bonanza. I'm going to be applying this on my ring finger and the thumb and then giving it a cure in the light for 30 seconds. After I'm done curing that color, I'm going to go back in and do a second layer. Once I'm done with the second layer, I'm going to give it another cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be going in with the gel bottle ink color B020. And I'm going to be applying this on the pointer finger and the pinky and then giving that a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'll be going in with this beautiful rich ruby color and I'm going to be applying this on the ring finger and then giving it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'll be going back in with that color B020 and Rich Ruby. I'm just going to do a second layer or a second coat. I'm not going to cure this though. Before I cure it, I'm going to go in with a lot of different colors and do kind of like a marble nail, but I wanted to save time, so that's why I did them both. So now I'm going to be going in with my Young Nails micro detailer brush and I'm going to be using that Bonanza color. I'm also going to be using this beautiful, absolutely beautiful Rosy Cheeks and the Rich Ruby color, and I'm just going to be doing like a marble nail on these two lighter nails, and then once I'm done and I get it how I like it, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And while I have you guys here, I wanted to say a special thank you to one of my longtime subscribers that's always been rocking with me. I felt like she definitely wanted me to do breast cancer awareness. I honestly didn't even know that this month was breast cancer awareness, so I just appreciate her for bringing that to my attention. And also I just appreciate her for just watching my videos and always commenting and giving me awesome ideas for videos, by the way. Thank you all that that do that and give me ideas and make me aware of things that's going on, because I definitely overlook some things sometimes, so I really appreciate it. And even though it's time for Halloween and fall nails and all that good stuff, breast cancer awareness is something that it is definitely serious to us ladies, obviously. So yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoy this video. Now I'll be going back in with my Young Nails micro detailer brush and I'm going to take the color Bonanza and I'm going to make a little design on the ring finger so you guys can watch me do this. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure it in my light and for 30 seconds and then I'm going to move on to the next color. Now I'll be going in with that color B020, and I'm just going to do some highlights with this color. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'll be going in with my Nail Couture Shiny. I'm also going to be going in with the Gel Bottled Inks Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to be applying these on my nails. So I'm going to use the Shiny on all of the nails besides the one that I did the Bonanza color on. Those are going to be matte, and then I'm going to give it a full cure in my light for 60 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.